In which film does Ethan Hunt infiltrate the Kremlin to retrieve sensitive information? Mission Impossible, Ghost Protocol. Mission Impossible 2. Mission Impossible, Rogue Nation. Mission Impossible 3. The correct answer is Mission Impossible, Ghost Protocol. Which of the following US states has the nickname Sunshine State? New Mexico, Arizona, Delaware, Florida. The correct answer is Florida. Cotonou is the capital city of which of these countries? Benin, Belize, Zimbabwe, Zambia. The correct answer is Benin. Retinol, a form of vitamin A used in skin care, is most commonly used to treat what? Freckles, sunburn, wrinkles, dryness. The correct answer is wrinkles. A Leghorn is a breed of what kind of animal? Dog, chicken, cow, goat. The correct answer is chicken. Which word describes two lines that remain the same distance apart and never meet? Diagonal, perpendicular, parallel, curved. The correct answer is parallel. What is the electrical charge of a neutron? Positive, negative, neutral, double positive. The correct answer is neutral. What kind of chemical bond forms when atoms share electrons? Ionic bond, metallic bond, covalent bond, hydrogen bond. The correct answer is covalent bond. What is the pH level of a substance that is considered neutral, such as pure water? 0, 7, 14, 5. The correct answer is 7. What was the system of land ownership and loyalty during the Middle Ages called? Capitalism, feudalism, socialism, monarchy. The correct answer is feudalism. Words like wow, ouch, and ups belong to which part of speech? Interjection, adverb, pronoun, preposition. The correct answer is interjection. Which of the 7 wonders of the ancient world still stands today? The Hanging Gardens of Babylon, the Colossus of Rhodes, the Great Pyramid of Giza, the Lighthouse of Alexandria. The correct answer is the Great Pyramid of Giza. What is a person who collects books called? Bibliophile, cartographer, numismatist, philatelist. The correct answer is bibliophile. Which metal alloy is formed by combining copper and tin? Steel, bronze, brass, pewter. The correct answer is bronze. The Hanging Gardens, one of the 7 wonders of the ancient world, were said to be located in which ancient city? Alexandria, Athens, Babylon, Rome. The correct answer is Babylon.